my little newsies. Today is Saturday. It's Saturday. And I am on my way to work. And guess what? I'm running very, 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 very late. It is 8:26 and it is 63 degrees. It is very cloudy. I believe we are gonna get rain by tomorrow. I'm supposed to be at work at 8:30 this morning, but I had difficulty sleeping last night. At 1:40, estimated about 1:40 this morning, I woke up in extreme pain with a Charlie horse on both legs. One was on my side of my calf, and the other one was side, and my left leg was side of my calf, and the back of my calf, and on my right was the side of my calf and my toes. And now my second toe is in pain this morning because I have a toe ring on that toe, and my toe went like, and so it just held that way. So then after that all calmed down, I was crying. I was in tears because it hurt. I had slightly in my inner thigh too, on the right leg. So about 1 hour later, it was like 2:44. I woke up again with Charlie horse in both legs again. And then on the third time, it was about 3:45, and I tried to lay there because it was only in my left leg. It was in my left leg, and the Charlie horse was in my foot, my ankle, and in my calf. I tried to lay there, but I could not. So, because usually I'll have a cramp, a Charlie horse in one leg, but when I go to get up, I'll catch it in the other leg too. So I refused to get up, but I couldn't take it no more. I was about to cry. And I got up, and I thought I was going to catch it in my right thigh, but I didn't. So it was only one foot, and I got so much relief when I put pressure on it. But what I'm going to say is, I knew I was going to have problems last night. Even though I took my leg cramp pills, I got to take some again on my way to work. I knew it because when I was cooking last night, I kept getting cramps in my toes. And again, with the toe ring, my toe was going like this. So that's why now where my toe, with my toe ring, the toe with the toe ring on, it hurts this morning. So after the cramp issues at 3:45, when that was over, I says forget it. I sat up on the couch and I left my legs down, covered myself with my sheet, and I leaned back. And then about 5 o'clock, my daughter walked in. So I've been up since about that time, and I just can't understand why am I running late this morning. But yeah, I can find things to do in the morning. So, how are my little newsies doing? I hope you all are doing well. It is so cloudy. It's completely cloudy, not partly cloudy. Everywhere I look, it's cloudy. So I did not Uber yesterday. I decided to come home. I talked to my dad. We talked about Uber, about Lyft, and all that stuff. And I continue to cook. What I cooked, I put it on my Instagram. I made seitan. I boiled the seitan, and then I baked the seitan to make it more firm, because I was going to smother it in gravy. And so that's what I did. And we put it over rice, and it was great. I know you guys say, where's the vegetables? Not today. Not yesterday. Oh, shit. Whew. I guess you guys say, where's the vegetables? No, we didn't have any vegetables. I mean, we have vegetables, but I didn't make any. So one day I will show you how I prepare my seitan. But I mean, there's plenty of people that do their seitan. There's plenty of seitan recipes, is what I should say. But I don't know if there's any smothered in gravy. So actually, we had a vegan meal last night, and I brought some with me to take to work. I brought some of my seitan over rice to bring. I'm bringing it to work. She'll call me. What I should say is, well, let me see if I have her number. Call Georgia. Calling Georgia. No, let me hang up. Oh, shoes. If I'm calling Georgia, it is her house number, so I need to get her cell number. Okay, so I have an 8:30 a customer. She's my only one I think I have. And I didn't bring my tablet. I left the tablet at home. But I can check on my phone. Let me see. I think I just have Georgia at 8:30. Yeah, I don't have nobody else. So I will be eating my seitan after I finish her, and I will be going out to do Lyft and Uber. Now Lyft is offering us a $50 bonus to do 15 rides in Los Angeles area. But the problem with that, I would have to get a ride to Los Angeles. I'm not just going to drive to Los Angeles to get 15 rides for $50, because to take someone to Los Angeles will pay me like $50. So I need to get a ride out there first. I don't know. I'm thinking I might just do that and drive to LA. But you know what? If I do, I will come back. And just in case I don't come back, if I could say I love you, you can definitely love yourself. Bye.